never too late. Jah is always on time. Jah word changed my life. Remember the days when we used to go to church, never taking the lesson of what life really worth. When me watch my brother go on that girl in Japan on the dates when I was back. Time, I really my time, and then me out and be free and just take time. Watch my life as it go by the wayside. Me search for trouble, but I never find. It's never too late, yeah. It's never too late. Days are always on time. Your words changed my life. No, it's never too late. It's never too late. For me, let me tell you that I guess you know, smile with
Ndamoh Mannah House off-grid channel here on YouTube here in Camabai, Sierra Leone. So thought you'd bring you up to date with what is going on, and we've been hard at work over the last 2 days laying in the red mahogany floor joists, and you can see what we are talking about here. And I'm going to move over just a little bit. There we go. So what we're doing is we're attacking the inside middle of the floor. And what we have is two 2x8 by 12-ish. We've cut them down, some of them to 8, some run out to 10, some are 12 feet. And where they're meeting in the middle where there's no pillar, we're actually putting bolts through. So just for added strength on the connection. So this is what is happening over on the other side. Over here, we're starting to put in the floor joists every 24 inches. Now, traditionally on the plan, it's every 16 inches on center. So, but that is not taking into account that we've got floor footers here every 8 feet, and that we are using hardwood red mahogany. Most of the time we don't have anywhere near this kind of support for a floor. And over in the States or England or anywhere else other than Sierra Leone probably, we would be using southern pine, okay, so a softwood, and that's why there's sort of 16-inch on centers or 12-inch on centers. So we can get away with 24s, and that is perfectly fine and suitable. We are using hangers on the middle part where there are not any connections sitting directly on top of the pillars. So as we get a bit closer to putting some things in, we will come back to it and show you where we are. Pretty much basically all the boards are going to be running horizontal. We're going to be running across the floor here all the way down. Okay, and then from this side we're going to be coming into the block, and then over here we're going to be going out this way,
It's a bit twisted. It's a bit twisted.
We're doing the third pillar. So there is the first one that we did on the back of the house. We've been talking about those for a while, and we're finally getting done. In order to pull a straight line on this, we had to add an extra board there to make sure that we stayed straight on this box. So it's 16 feet 6 off to the second box, and then 17-foot span to the third one. It's a 17-foot 6 there. And this is the one that we took off this morning. So we got it all off of there. It's sort of got the board on there to make sure that it's all straight and in the right position. This lies even in on the action down there. So let's take a look at how much concrete is actually in the box. They've been pouring in here for a while. So let's take a look. There you go. They're all being dumped in there. It's okay if you don't have a little dirt on you. It means that you're not working. Thanks, John. Appreciate that. Appreciate it, buddy. See, it's not me that you have to worry about. It's Sama that you have to worry about, not me. Miss Hula, are you a masoner now?
Yeah,
She is. She's getting right in on the
I
action
am.
there. She is.
I'm
She
doing
likes-
my bit.
She likes playing with concrete.
I think I should have been a mason.
You should have been a masoner?
Yeah.
I think you'd be good at it, actually.
I look cool too.
Oh, and you got a little bit of dirt on you, too.
Yeah, I look cool.
You look cool, like you've been working with it. Nice. Miss Hula spends a lot of time in the kitchen because an army sort of marches on its stomach. But every once in a while, get out here and get dirty, which is always good. It's nice to see you get in there and do it. Brother and sister here.
Getting lovely and dirty. Lovely.
Lovely and dirty.
Lovely and
Nice.
dirty. Dirty and lovely.
All right, we're getting close to the top. There we go. Not long now. Got it all braced up here down at the bottom with blocks all over it. And we have the long screws, remember? We're almost there. We're trying to pull that rebar in straight. It was just a little bit off center. So Cecil's been trying to yank it into the middle. It's almost into the middle, mate. You need to yank it a bit more than that, but what do you reckon?
It's not easy to pull.
I know, but you got to be able to get it further than that.
Later on we can do that.
Yeah.
Park it the other way on.
So we'll lean on these rebar bits. They're 16 mil. They're not easy to move. The 12s are okay. These little ones here. These little ones here are easy to bend. Well, easier to bend. But these 16 mils are, whew, they are pretty tough to bend. So we'll do it
I
afterwards
think you're alright.
and yank them so that they're going up straight.
Better wood.
Yeah, just the manufacturing process. So just trying to get as much solid concrete and get the water to run off. You've seen all the water run off the edges. It's just a little bit of patience. Bo, stay away from that. A little Bo down here. He likes to be out and about, especially when it's a bit cooler. They don't like to be out when it's blaring hot. None of us do, but we have to brave it. Like the dogs get to stay under the bathroom. Down here, a run in the floor joists. So let's walk in here. Let's take a look. I'm going under the crawl space. And this is looking pretty good. Looking a heck of a lot better. Got pre on the circular saw. Yesterday. And just keeping all these floor joists relatively straight is a feat in itself. We're measuring the distances 26 inches, which gives us 24 inches in the centers, which is perfectly fine for this type of application. So this is what it's looking like underneath. It's looking alright, isn't it? Every 8 feet, we got 24-inch on centers. All the way down. After we're done here, down this line that they're working on, we're gonna come over here. So right in here, we're gonna come right off of here and come directly off and sit right inside the block. So it's gonna go sit right inside here. And then we'll bring them over, oops, hammer them in. And then every time we come off, there will be a hanger here, there'll be a hanger here, and a hanger here. So that will increase the strength of this floor. It's looking all right. Come through. Here's the bolts here. So there's a red dot. We put a bolt because it's hanging in the middle. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Craig here, and welcome to the Ndamoh Mannah channel here on YouTube. Today we've got the fellas out that did the borehole, and they are laying the wire in to go to the store. So that's where they're going, right over there, right where the other one was. And the fellas were out here digging the trench very early this morning, a long way, because it's all the way in the far corner of the property. And they're pulling the wire through, because it's a 4 cable, not a 3 cable. So if it was a 4, it's right next to the palm here, so that'll remind me where this wire actually is. But it's got an extra wire, so the one that comes from the shallow well just wasn't going to work on the box that we've got for this one. So there it is. It goes all the way down. You can see the trench, and there the fellas down in the corner down there. It's a pretty good trench. Comes right across the road. There's the tank right over there, and that's where we're actually going to. So this fella is doing the plumbing for this pump. So this is where we are. Just figuring it out. We got the pipe all in there. That's great. That looks great. So we haven't dropped the pump down there yet. Has the pump gone down?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's gone down.
Yeah. The water is coming very soon.
Nice.
And that you want to see the water.
Exactly.
Like that.
I want to hear it go
Yes.
in the tank.
Yeah.
That's what we want. You guys did a good job on this trench in record time. That's not easy to do.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Super. So does that go right across the road there and right up to the tank?
Not,
Yes.
not,
No,
not-
the junction is
Junction. That other one.
Oh, you're going into that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, why not? All right, everybody. So I climbed up here. There it is. That is borehole water. Okay. It's just over there in the corner. And it's coming down here and going to that T-junction right down here. And it's coming up right into the tank.
Hi.
The big 7. Miss Ulai had her hair done today too.
Yes, I did.
Looking very
And it's all looking nice with
It's
all the
very
grays.
hot, very nice.
Very gray.
I actually like the gray in this. It's nice. Very hot there. Very nice.
Thank you.